Look, come here and look. Look.
A touch. Hands. The hands. Maggie.
What's on your hands? Are you rubbing it in your hair? Garrett, do you like the fireworks? Do you like fireworks?
No.
No.
Oh,
Do you like fireworks?
no.
Fireworks?
No.
You don't like fireworks? Yes? Do you like fireworks? Do you like fireworks, Garrett? Huh?
Wait, sorry, I know what you're doing.
Do you like fireworks?
I don't know, Sana.
Do you wanna go open some prizes?
Pies.
Do you wanna open some prizes? Yes or no? Do you wanna open some prizes? Not over here. We're going to my house to open prizes.
No.
You wanna go to my house and open some prizes?
Wait, it's a middle. Wait.
You wanna go to my house and open up some prizes?
House.
Garrett, do you like fireworks? There's this one saying, come here. Uh-oh. Yeah. You gonna give her a hug?
Where'd the mouth go?
Where'd the what go?
Right there. He's being silly.
Oh!
I got a trash bag over here.
Yeah,
Are you hiding from her?
kitty. You need plain hide
He's too rough.
Oh, you.
Let me have that kitty. Whoa, bounce. Bounce.
Bounce up and down.
Bouncy, 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 bouncy. Whoa. Bouncy, 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 bounce.
He's a bouncing. Big boys.
Watch out.
Whoa. Yeah! Beat it up.
Oh, no. Whoa. Merry Christmas.
Ho, ho, ho.
What's the rest of it?
Ho, ho.
Merry Christmas. Say it. All right, look. All right, look. Ho, ho, ho.
Ow.
Ho, ho, ho.
Oh.
Merry Christmas.
Do it. Tell us about
Ho, ho, ho. Ho, ho, ho.
Say Merry Christmas.
Ho, ho.
Say it.
Do you hear it on your phone?
That's it.
I'm gone.
Cause you're wanting it too.
Huh?
Got a walk back.
Did you put something over the little hole?
Roll it around in circles and do it. That's crazy. Shake it side to side.
No.
What?
Look that down.
Shake it side to side. Like shift it side to side. No, like you're shaking paint.
Battery might be dead. Oh, let's do it in the bathroom.
You gotta walk back.
Might be too close. I don't want that. If I found that little hole, maybe I could poke my finger through it.
What is that, Garrett? What is it?
Here. Let's move this alarm. Okay, open it up.
So, this is a present from the Nana. It just happens to be at the wrong house.
Not yet.
Oh,
How many layers is it? I did it.
what's in there, Garrett? Look. What's in there?
What is it?
What is it? What is it?
What's up, one?
Come on.
What is it?
Come on.
Drew.
Come on.
It's a cow.
Go.
Look. Look, Garrett.
Look, Garrett.
Look. Oh, there it goes. His eyes are... Do you hear it? You want to get him out? You want to take him out? Now we're going to get him out. Let me see how it opens.
Oh.
I got it.
Oh. Get him out. Get him out, Mama. Get him out.
Oh, no. Look at there.
Wow.
Oh.
How does it come out?
It's on the bottom.
Now we.
Oh, you want him out?
That right there shows you don't need no animal. Boy,
Hold on.
you're choking him out already.
Hold on, buddy. Let me get him loose.
I know, look at him.
Garrett, baby, take it easy a little bit.
Do a trash bag, see?
Oh.
It's a cat. Oh. And it's a cat that liked you.
Oh, look how sweet.
What's he do?
Trash bags.
Oh. Pet the kitty.
It's a cat.
What's that
See, this kitty cat's not going anywhere. Oh, you're trying to hug it.
I don't think he can walk.
Oh.
Whoa!
It's a lot of stress in him being gentle. Do you see it?
Whoa!
Whoa!
Dad! Dad!
Still got something in it. It's
That
got like a brush or something in it.
Will.
A brush or something.
Brush.
A comb?